Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Anita espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Give you a great shot of espresso. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.